Alright, guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be drilling holes in the side of my bear bait barrel to allow popcorn to come out. When the bears move it around, we'll put about 8 holes staggered, 4 around this section and then 4 around the bottom section. Let me get set up and we'll get to it. Okay, so we've put the 8 holes in the barrel and taped them up so the popcorn doesn't fall out while we store the popcorn in there until I have some trash bags. So the reason I went with 8 holes versus just a bigger one at the bottom for them to reach in is so they have to work for it, and I'll be tying this off with an aircraft cable to a tree so they can spin it around and knock the popcorn out. Have to work a little harder at it. Thanks for watching.